Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And Alice， 最近我听到一个这个词啊，叫做收东西。
数东西，
数东西不是收东西哦，
该是数东西。
哦，那是数。等等 ，I'm confused. Okay, because it sounds like cleaning up 收东西。
数东西，
数东西。Okay, this is cleaning up 收东西。但如果是收东西的话呢？
数东西，
数东西。Okay, he 就变成 the play. Then that means not cleaning up, but rather the winter season play. 这个收东西在客家这个文化里面非常这个重要嘛，对不对？See, during this time of the year, because the season is changing and they have a lot of traditional events that are happening, plays for instance, and winter season play is definitely one of them. And that is why right now the Hakka Affairs is offering another award. 听说现在呢，这个又有一个由这个行政院客委会所举办的96年度客家传统戏曲剧本创作奖，对不对？
也在鼓励大家来参加96年度客家传统戏剧剧本的创作奖。
96年度客家传统戏曲剧本创作奖。I'm trying to repeat after you. Let me do that one more time. 96年度客家传统戏曲剧本创作奖。
剧本。
Oh, 劇本. Okay, by the way, that is the 2007 Hakka Traditional Opera Screenplay Award.
有奖金没？
有奖金是不是
？20万。
20万啊！20万啊！ That's 200,000 NT in cash. Oh wow, okay. So if you're interested in this, or if you know anyone that has talent in writing screenplays for Hakka Traditional Opera, then maybe you'd like to sign up. Again, you can always go on to their website. And this time I want Alice to tell us all about the website. 我们的网址是
www.hakka.gov.tw.
I love that. www.hakka.gov.tw. 没错嘛哈。So go check it out, and if you apply, good luck to you, and hopefully we'll be talking about your play next time, 对不对？
错啊，我听说有你们写剧本啊。
对 ，So good luck to all of you, and have a nice winter. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.